Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an event to your favorites to save it for later on the Meetup application. But first I just want to mention, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that you should tap on the home button or the explore button to search for an event that you are interested in, and after that tap on that and click on this star icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. As you go back to the previous page, you are going to find the saved section at the top in the your calendar section, and here is the item that you have just added to this saved section. In case you want to get rid of it, all you have to do is tapping on this star icon again, and then it will be removed from your list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.